Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature Art and Life. Today I have a thrift haul to share with you all, and I found some items that I've been on the hunt for. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first thing I have to share are these really cute little tins. They're for baking, they're little tart tins. $1.50, and there is a set of 10 in here. I like to make ornaments for Christmas time out of these, so I couldn't pass these ones up. I found this really cute flower frog. Now, I had some flower frogs a long time ago, and even the pin flower frogs, and I got rid of them. I got rid of them before they were popular. Anyways, I found this one. This one was only 50 cents. Usually they're around $5, but this one's got like a little, I don't want to say it's a chip, but there's definitely a flaw in the glass, but that doesn't bother me. I really like the size of this one too. I found this really cool enamel cup. $1 for that. I thought a really fun Christmas arrangement in there would be fun. And then I found this cup as well. It is $1 and it's silver plated. Again, cute for Christmas. So I found another silver piece and I thought this was beautiful. It was $2. And again, I thought it would be beautiful to make something for Christmas time. And it says Rogers Brothers. I don't know. I don't know my silverware very well, but I just thought it was beautiful. I wouldn't cover up all of this part. I would just make something really pretty in the center. And then I found these two copper pots. They've got holes in them. I'm not sure. Maybe they were for like from a water feature, I'm guessing. I'm not totally sure though. But you know, copper is a highly sought after metal right now in decor. And I thought, again, it would be really cool maybe to do something for Christmas in these, or I'm not sure, maybe some succulents or something would be cool. Anyway, so I got those and they were $1 each. So over on my DIY channel, I recently did a paint technique where you mix baking soda in with craft paint. I absolutely love that technique, so I wanted to try it out on some other stuff. And I found this beautiful jug, and I thought this would be really cool. And it's nothing special, so I didn't feel bad playing around with that, and I got it for $2. And then I found this oil jug, and I like this as it is, but I thought it would be really cool, again, to try that technique out, and this was $3. Okay, so I have been working on reorganizing my craft space, and I'm really trying to find some proper storage for different things. And I found this. It's a wood box, but it's got some slats in it, so I thought that might be really cool for some paintbrushes. Only got it for $1. And then I found this wood crate. I could use this for storage or, you know, to put some plants in. It would be really cool to do a DIY with. And I only got that for $2. It's a pretty cool piece. It's in really good condition. Okay, and again, by now you should all know I love to collect wooden boxes as well, again for storage. This one is homemade for sure. I only paid $2 for it, but it is made of really thick wood. You can tell this is like an indexed or recipe box. And I don't know who made it, but yeah, very cool. I could not pass that up. I cannot wait to get this into use. Okay, so one of the things I've been on a hunt for is a ceramic deer, and I found one. I was so excited. It is a Stuart B. McCulloch piece, and it was $3. Now, oh, you guys, I chipped it. I accidentally chipped it. I was so upset with myself. I did find the piece that was missing, and it fit perfectly. I don't know if you can see the flaw right there. Anyways, I managed to glue it back into place, so it's not perfect, but I'm keeping it. I'm not going to be selling this, so yeah, it is what it is. And then I found this really pretty white glass piece. Now this mimics milk glass, but I did some searching and it turns out it's actually a piece from Avon. It is supposed to have a lid, but the lid was missing. I just thought it was just so pretty. It didn't matter to me at all about it. It's stamped Avon on the bottom. And I got that for $1. So I had passed this up a few times, and then this time around, I just could not leave it on the shelf. It was only $1, and I love the leaf shape. And I have another platter that's a leaf shape too, so the two will look nicely. The other one's quite a bit smaller. And I'm guessing this is a serving tray, but the cool thing is it's originally from the Bay, and it was custom carved in the Philippines, made out of monkey pod wood. And you guys, stuff from the Bay is not cheap. So I know that, I don't know how much it is, but I know it's going to have some value behind it. So for $1, yes, please. Okay, this was my most exciting find. I have been on the hunt for a fancy jewelry box like this for a long time. And even used, they're so expensive. Like, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to spend $10 on a dusty old piece of a jewelry box. But this one was only $3. So I'm like, yep, it's coming home because I'm wanting to redo it. I think it would just be so fun, and everything's intact. It just needs a really good cleaning, and I would redo this because it is dirty. It is so dirty. Even the mirror's intact and this really pretty piece here. So I can't wait to refinish this. So I found these 2 placemats, and I'm pretty sure these are wool. And I just thought it was such a cool pattern. It's kind of folk artsy, and I thought they'd be really cool to make some pillows out of. I got 2 for $2, so I thought that was an awesome deal. And then I found these pillow shams. They are crochet lace. These were 2 for $3. So you can tell they are kind of worn, but I thought, you know what? It would be really fun to use downstairs, or if one of my daughters wanted them. Yeah. Could even use these for crafting. So I had so much fun thrifting lately. It's been really cool being able to find some of the things on my wish list. And I haven't been thrifting as much lately because we are on tighter restrictions. Our thrift stores are open though, but I'm just trying to be conscientious of my spending as well. So I'm excited to recreate some of these pieces. Let me know what your favorite find is out of the bunch, and let me know about any of the fun treasures you have found. Thank you all so much for being here. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.